Hi guys, have you ever heard the term zero day and wondered what all the fuss is about? Well, imagine that you live in a house and someone tells you there's a hidden back door and you didn't know about it. Scary, right? Well, this is a metaphor for a zero-day vulnerability. So what is a zero day, or what does it mean? Well, think of it this way. Hackers are always on the lookout for a flaw in your software, but at the same time, developers are also looking for the flaw. So in other words, developers have 0 days to figure out a fix before someone can swoop in and mess up everything for you. Now let's look at two real-world examples of zero-day attacks. Remember Zoom being your best friend back in 2020? Well, guess who else loved it? Hackers had found a bug or a way to get into computers running Zoom and using older versions of Windows. If they were able to find an administrative computer, they were able to take control of the entire network. Imagine a hacker getting access to your virtual happy hour. Yikes! And how can we forget Apple? Apple faced a zero-day vulnerability when hackers found a bug in their system allowing them to remotely access all of these phones. Yes, even the virtually unhackable computer was hacked. So here's the takeaway. Zero-day vulnerabilities are like ticking time bomb. Once they're found, hackers won't hesitate to exploit them. To stay safe, keep your software updated and never ignore those notification patches. With that said, for more 2-minute tech, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.